In this tutorial, we're going to explore the list loop element in Twidget. This element allows you to repeat all the elements contained within it. When you use a list loop, it automatically creates two variables, an item variable and an index variable. The list loop requires a data source, which can either be a reference to an existing variable or a newly created one. Let's begin by adding a list loop to the page. Alongside it, we'll add an image. At this moment, you can only see one image displayed. Within the editor, you can manually select how many times the element will repeat. However, once the page is live, the number of repetitions will be determined by the data source you connect. To better demonstrate this feature, let's increase our examples. We will also add a text element to enhance what we are showcasing. Now, click on the list loop and pay attention to the item and index variables. The item variable represents the current item in the data source list, whereas the index variable indicates the current index of that specific item in the list. Next, we will update the text content to reference these variables. Currently, you'll notice that the text updates to show only the indexes. This is because we have not yet assigned a data source. To resolve this, let's create a page variable to use as our data source. We'll create a list variable containing 3 elements. Now, we will update the list loop's data source to this newly created list. Let's go ahead and preview the page. As you can see, the elements inside the list loop have repeated 3 times, which corresponds to the number of items we provided in the data source. Additionally, the text content now accurately displays the indexes and the item text. In summary, the list loop element is a powerful feature in Twidget that enables you to display multiple items based on a data source, along with the associated index for each item.